Before we begin, a quick note for all moms practicing with baby. This flow is designed to be gentle and low impact, but every postpartum body and every baby is different. Please listen to your body, move slowly, and skip anything that doesn't feel right for you today. If you are wearing your baby, make sure they are safely and securely positioned in a properly fitted carrier with their head and neck fully supported and their airway clear. Keep all movements upright and controlled. Avoid any deep bends, sudden transitions, or anything that compromises your balance. This video is not a substitute for medical advice. Be sure you've been cleared for movement by your healthcare provider before participating, especially in the postpartum period. You know your body and your baby best. Honor that. Take breaks when needed and feel free to modify or simply watch and rest at any time. Hello and welcome to Cradled Mama Yoga. I'm here with Tatiana. My name is Janelle, and today we're going to do a nice easygoing flow while carrying your baby. We want to think about and focus on our posture while we're doing this today. It's easy to lean back when we have our babies on us, and we want to make sure we're not leaning forward, but standing up straight, kind of engaging that lower abdomen area. Tati's not too much of a Velcro baby, but she's close to nap time, so hopefully she does well. Jumping right into it. I know I don't have much time here. Take a nice deep breath in, holding your baby however is comfortable, maybe closing your eyes, in through the nose, and out through the mouth. Good. One more just like that. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Good. Flutter those eyes open. Take a couple head rolls if you can. I know I can't drop my chin completely. Maybe kiss your baby on the way. Switch directions. Good. Come to a nice strong mountain pose, palms ahead. Take a nice deep inhale, arms come up overhead. Exhale, palms touch in front of baby. One more nice deep inhale, lengthening. Exhale, palms touch in front of baby. Inhale, exhale, good. Inhale, exhale, twisting to the right, just slightly, and coming back to center. Inhale, exhale, twisting to the left from those ribs, and coming back to center. Good. Inhale, arms come up, chair pose. Now this should be actually a little easier with your baby out front, counteracting that weight. Nice and shallow, try not to go too deep. Stay where it's nice and comfortable for your body. Inhale, lift a heel, keeping those fingers nice and splayed. Keeping that lower abdomen nice and tight. Good. Thinking about that lower tummy area, dropping those shoulders. Good. Inhale, exhale, palms touch. Inhale, warrior one. Those feet are on train tracks. They are not on a tightrope. Keep that body nice and stable. Drop those shoulders. Inhale and exhale. Keeping that core engaged. Inhale. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Those hips open up to the side. Fingertips straight towards the front and the back. Knee over ankle. Somebody's hungry. Inhale. Reverse your warrior. Keeping a nice long arms straight up, not so much bended towards the back. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, star, opening up to the side. Exhale, goddess. Inhale, star. Exhale, goddess. One more. Inhale, star. Exhale, goddess. Good. Inhale, come up. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, stepping up slowly to the front, hitting that chair, and coming up. Palms touch. Standing with those palms touched together. As you can see, Tati was not having it. She was a little hungry. We take breaks when we need to. That's how it goes, right? Inhale, chair. What's most important is your baby is always upright for the most part. You want them to keep that neck stability, keep them supported. Taking nice deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling, lifting those heels up one by one, nice and slow, focusing on that lower abdomen, keeping a long spine, maybe feeling that slight burn in your thighs. Good. Inhale, come up. Exhale, palms touch. Inhale, opposite leg steps back. Warrior 1, keeping those fingers splayed at the top. Tummy engaged, nice long spine. Inhale and exhale, drop those shoulders. Hi, baby. Inhale, open up to warrior 2. Knee is over ankle. Inhale, peaceful warrior, keeping your body upright. Exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, warrior 2. Good. Opening up to the side, we hit star and squat into goddess. Inhale, star. Exhale, goddess. Good. One more. Inhale, star. Exhale, goddess. Deep breath. Inhale, warrior 2. Hi, baby. One more deep breath in. Exhale, drop those shoulders. Inhale, warrior 1. Shifting those feet. Exhale, drop those shoulders. Inhale, coming up to chair, sitting back one more time. Exhale, palms come together. She's been very chatty lately. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, palms touch. Good. Place your hands on your baby. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you soon. And we'll see how Tati does next time. You just don't love being on mama all the time. Huh?